Step inside the future with Amazon's smart home gadgets everyone wants. From hands-free convenience to clever automation, these innovative picks make everyday living feel faster, easier, and more connected. Once you see what they can do, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. All products are linked in the description below. Somewhere between science and art, this exists. A miniature planet that floats, spins, and glows right on your desk. Magnetic levitation lifts it into midair, where it rotates a full 360 degrees in complete silence. No wires holding it up, no tricks, just pure hypnotic motion. Built-in LED lights cycle through multiple colors, so it doubles as ambient lighting or a conversation-stopping centerpiece. Touch control lets you adjust it effortlessly. And if the power ever cuts out, a smart magnetic system catches it automatically, so your planet never crashes to Earth. It works beautifully in a bedroom, office, or living room. Whether you want to unwind after a long day or just want your desk to look like it belongs in the future, this delivers. Not every great shot needs a big camera. This tiny 4K vlogger weighs just over an ounce, small enough to clip onto your shirt, bag, or helmet, and forget it's even there. Yet it shoots crisp 4K footage completely hands-free, so you capture life as it actually happens. The built-in retro filters give your footage that warm, nostalgic film look straight out of the camera. No editing app needed. Ultra-wide lenses keep your shots smooth with minimal distortion, whether you're walking city streets or exploring somewhere new. Magnetic mounting means you can attach it almost anywhere: clothes, pets, objects, helmets. The included battery pack doubles your shooting time to 76 minutes. 128 gigabytes of onboard storage means you won't be deleting footage mid-adventure. Your desk is about to get a serious upgrade. This 10.1-inch smart display does everything a photo frame can't. Send it photos, videos, GIFs, or pixel art straight from your phone, and they show up instantly. Live widgets keep the weather, calendar, clock, and even stock prices visible at a glance throughout your day. The RGB backlighting around the frame adjusts to match your mood, your setup, or the time of day. You can dial the screen brightness up or down whenever you need. No subscriptions, no monthly fees, just plug it in, connect to Wi-Fi, and it's yours to customize however you like. It fits perfectly on a desk, gaming setup, or office shelf. Smart, personal, and genuinely useful. Peace of mind shouldn't keep you waiting. This bedside safe opens in 1 second flat using your fingerprint. No fumbling in the dark, no remembering codes under pressure. 3 ways to unlock: fingerprint, passcode, or backup key, plus a USB-C emergency port if the battery ever runs low. The carbon steel body bolts securely to your floor or furniture, and 3 wrong passcode attempts trigger an automatic alarm. Inside, shock-absorbing foam protects whatever you store. But here's what makes it genuinely clever. The front display shows the time, temperature, humidity, and battery level around the clock, so it doubles as a fully functional bedside unit. You get a safe, an alarm clock, and a humidity monitor in one clean package. Bad lighting is quietly ruining your setup. This curved monitor light bar sits right on top of your screen and floods your desk with clean, even light, without a single glare hitting your eyes or your display. It stretches up to 26 inches, built specifically for large ultra-wide curved monitors. The foldable dual light design lets you aim brightness exactly where you need it. Color temperature adjusts from warm to cool, so you can dial in the perfect tone for work, creative tasks, or late-night gaming. 15 RGB backlight modes add ambient glow behind your screen, reducing eye strain from harsh contrast in dark rooms. A built-in light sensor automatically adjusts brightness as your environment changes, completely hands-free. No extra desk space needed, no screen damage, and setup takes seconds. Game night just got a serious upgrade. This automatic card shuffler, dealer, and counter handles everything your hands used to do, so you can focus entirely on winning. Load up 1 or 2 decks, set your players, and let it deal. It supports up to 12 players and rotates a full 360 degrees, reaching everyone at the table regardless of where they're sitting. 3 distance settings adjust for different table sizes, and 4 wireless remotes let players draw cards hands-free without reaching across. A touch sensor pauses dealing instantly mid-round, no reset required. The low-noise motor keeps the atmosphere relaxed even during long sessions, and the built-in 5,200 mAh battery runs for up to 12 hours on a single charge. Compatible with poker, Texas Hold'em, rummy, blackjack, and more. Hot room, cool solution. This smart floor fan pushes airflow up to 100 feet, circulating an entire room in under a minute. 9 speeds and 6 modes give you total control over your comfort, including an auto mode that reads the room temperature and adjusts itself without you lifting a finger. The 120-degree horizontal and vertical oscillation means air reaches every corner, not just whoever's sitting directly in front. At just 20 decibels, it runs quieter than a whisper, so it won't disturb your sleep or your focus. RGB lighting lets you set the mood while it keeps you cool. Control it with the remote, your voice, or straight from your phone via Wi-Fi. An 8-hour timer means you can set it and forget it at bedtime. Your printer is an investment. Treat it like one. This dust cover is custom fitted for the UV printer it's designed for, so it sits snugly over every corner without slipping or sagging. An elastic drawstring hem seals the bottom tight, keeping dust and accidental splashes out completely. When it's time to print, the cover folds down compactly in seconds and stores neatly using the built-in elastic strap or hanging loop. No stuffing it in a drawer. The reinforced top handle makes it easy to lift on and off without wrestling with the fabric. Made from thick, textured Oxford material that resists wear and holds its shape over time. This robot doesn't just clean, it practically takes care of itself. It vacuums and mops at the same time, scrubbing floors with enough pressure to lift dried stains, while automatically lifting the mop pad the moment it hits carpet. Suction reaches 7,000 pascals, strong enough to pull embedded pet hair and dirt from deep in carpet fibers. A built-in comb detangles hair from the brush roller mid-clean, so you're not picking it apart by hand. At just 3.35 inches tall, it slides under sofas and beds most vacuums can't reach. The docking station empties the dustbin, washes the mop pads, and dries them automatically, up to 60 days without you touching a thing. Schedule it, zone it, or just tell it to go. Skip the coffee shop line permanently. This espresso machine brings 20 bars of professional-grade pressure into your kitchen, extracting rich, aromatic shots with a thick crema, just like your favorite cafe. A 1,350-watt heating system means it's ready fast, with no long warm-up wait. The steam wand froths milk into silky microfoam, so lattes, cappuccinos, and macchiatos are fully within reach at home. Brew a single shot or a double. Both filter baskets are included. The 43.9-ounce removable water tank holds enough for multiple cups before needing a refill, and both the tank and drip tray detach easily for cleaning. It's compact enough to fit any countertop without dominating your kitchen. Stylish, capable, and genuinely affordable. Look up, your ceiling just became the night sky. This HD star projector transforms any dark room into a full planetarium, covering up to 300 square feet with crisp, distortion-free stars and galaxies. 8 swappable film discs and over 20 preset scenes give you thousands of combinations, from deep space to aurora skies. Pair it with Alexa or Google Assistant and change the entire mood of a room with just your voice. Built-in white noise options make it just as useful for winding down as it is for wowing guests. Point it anywhere with 360-degree rotation, set the 2-hour sleep timer, and let the universe do the rest. Hacking at a cold stick of butter is officially a thing of the past. This clever little dispenser stores a full butter stick and slices off the exact amount you need with a single click. Measurements are marked right on the side in teaspoons, tablespoons, and cup conversions, so no more guessing mid-recipe. When you're done, it doubles as a keeper that goes straight into the fridge door. Compact, mess-free, and dishwasher-safe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.